My name's Michaela Parrott. I am Chickasaw, Choctaw, Seminole, and Creek. After going to school and learning about the importance of cooking together as a family, I wanted to incorporate that with my daughter. And so I've seen that in my practice as a dietitian, where if we have kids helping in the kitchen, they're more adventurous and they want to try new foods. I think it's a great family experience and a bonding experience, and it helps teach them as they get older, and then they'll be able to help as well. Preventing type 2 diabetes has been important for me and my journey as an educator, because I've grown up with family with type 2 diabetes. I knew that's something that I didn't want to happen for me and my children, and so I want to have that healthy lifestyle and be that good role model for her, and she can see those healthy lifestyles of eating healthy traditional foods and being physically active to prevent that type 2 diabetes, because that was not our ancestors, that wasn't their life back then. I think just by teaching families to have healthy eating habits and being physically active and having that social and emotional connectedness is going to be helpful overall with preventing type 2 diabetes.
Diabetes is not our destiny.
Hi, Pete. Shannon Andrews in Gunny. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa Rujay Ta, Toragoon.
Today we are making hominy quesadillas. For this recipe you will need 4 8-inch whole wheat tortillas, half a cup reduced fat cheese, shredded, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin, this is optional, 1 can of low sodium hominy, drained and rinsed, 1 large yellow onion cut into strips, 1 large summer squash cut into strips, 1 large bell pepper cut into strips. Preheat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add oil and vegetables to the pan. Sprinkle with cumin if using on top and mix. Cook until vegetables are tender and remove from the pan. The Otoe word for hominy is wadathu. Hominy is also known as hulled corn in some traditional native cooking. Hominy is made from corn treated with an alkali solution. The process is known as nixtamalization. Traditionally, the alkali used was ash. Some native communities are going back to hominy making with wood ash lye to carry on the ancestral tradition or to renew the tradition within current food sovereignty movements. After thoroughly rinsing to rid any lye residue, hominy could be made into a meal or dried for later use. Hominy can be used for many different recipes. Hominy can be boiled and eaten alone, flavored with animal fat, or combined with other protein foods like beans and meat. Hominy could be smashed and made into pudding or baked and boiled in corn husk. In Oklahoma, soft key is a traditional dish of the Seminole and Muskogee nations made of hominy. Pashofa is a traditional dish of the Chickasaw and Choctaw nations made of hominy. To make the quesadilla, place 3/4 of a cup of vegetables on one side of each tortilla. Sprinkle with cheese and fold over. Place in the skillet. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until tortilla is golden brown and cheese is melted. Change it up. For added protein, try adding chicken breasts, fish, or lean cuts of pork or beef. Other vegetables could be added, try carrots or zucchini. Any type of bell pepper could be used. Swap green for red, orange, or yellow. Any type of onion could be used. Swap yellow for white or red. For some spice, add a de-seeded diced jalapeno. Place quesadilla on a cutting board. Cut in half or in thirds. Serve warm. This recipe makes 4 servings. 1 serving is 1 quesadilla. Enjoy!